are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Krystle and I'm back with another wig video for y'all. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at this Butta lace unit. You guys know I love Butta lace. This is a collection from Sensationnel. This wig is the Beach Wave 20-inch in the color Balayage Chocolate. The color job on this is beautiful, but with this, you are going to get the undetectable lace, the 5-inch deep parting space, and you're also going to get the blend with the hair. So this is blended with human hair and the premium fiber blend. Technically, it's still synthetic, so keep your paddle brush and your Simply Styling silicone spray nearby, okay? Overall, this is such a cute wig, and it was very simple to install. I did experience a little bit of malfunction. Well, not necessarily a malfunction, but a big clump of hair came out. Do y'all see that? But after that, I did not experience any consistent shedding. But right before that clump came out, did y'all see how beautiful that lace just sat on my hairline? This is without any spray or anything on, just, you know, trying on the wig. I loved how beautiful it just slipped on. I knew right then and there I wasn't going to have to manipulate and add all the swoops and baby hairs to make the hairline look good. So I love this about this style. Now, another thing about this unit is it is a silky texture. So I like my kinky textures, but y'all, this one, I really enjoyed this unit. I actually wore her out to date night and she held up very nicely. Y'all, she is a cute unit. I'll put all the links down below. I want to give a huge shout out to DIVATRESS for sending this unit out to me to share with you guys. I'll put their information down in the description box as well. Y'all make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit that like button if you loved today's video, and leave me some love down in the comments. Let me know what you are thinking about this unit, if you're picking her up, if you like this unit on me, whatever feedback. Y'all talk to me because you know I love to talk to you back. Okay, huge shout out again to you guys for tuning into today's video, and I will see you guys in the next slay. Bye, y'all.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, more change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind.